In today's video, we'll show you how to change the front brake pads and rotors of a 2014 to 2025 Lexus IS. Now, the application year range is across a couple of generations and facelifts, but the general idea and the way to do it sticks the same. And as usual, we'll go through the whole thing together and we'll show you a couple of quick tips. So grab a wrench and let's get started. First, we'll get the two small bolts off at the back with a 14mm socket. And then we'll very gently wiggle the caliper off, rest it aside, and make sure it's not tangling. We'll get the old brake pads off. Then we'll work on the two bigger bolts that's holding on the caliper bracket with a 17mm socket. And once we get the two bolts off, we can grab ourselves a hammer and give it a little swing to get the rotor off. We'll use a brush to brush off any old grease or rust on the hub, and then we'll grease it back up. And here goes the new rotors. And a little tip here is to put a lug nut back on so the rotor doesn't fall off when we're working on something else. And the caliper bracket. We'll pry the old clips off so we can clean up the surface area and grease it up for the new clips. Use a wire brush just to get the old grease and the brake dust off the caliper bracket. And now we'll check the condition of the rubber boots and the caliper slide pin. Just very gently wiggle the slide pin out of the rubber boots and make sure you don't damage the rubber component. Now we'll just wipe down any old anti-seize on the caliper slide pin and we'll do it again. And now we'll just lubricate the slide pin again with the new anti-seize. And as we're done, just put it back in, and again, just make sure you don't damage the rubber boots. And now we'll use proper brake grease just to grease up the area where the new clip's going to be sitting on the caliper bracket. And then it's time for the new brake clips. Now that we're done servicing the caliper bracket, we can put it back on the vehicle. And it's the same two bigger bolts that we removed earlier. And let's grab ourselves a 17mm socket and bolt everything back up. And for this video, we'll be using the BrakeX Alpha brake pads together with the Aegis GeoMet fully coated rotors. So if you've liked the video so far, or at least found it useful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel, maybe join the membership, and check us out at brake-x.com. And now we'll be greasing up the pads on the areas where the pads are going to be touching the brake clips, and where the piston is going to be pushing on the inner pad. And a little tip over here is to make sure you don't over grease everything and have greases flooding around the pads. That's actually the leading cause of your new brakes squeaking. And just before we put everything back together, we'll use a caliper compression tool just to spin the piston back in the caliper. And now we'll very gently wiggle the caliper back on the car. And now we'll put the smaller bolts that we took off the caliper earlier, just put everything back in place. And again, with the help of a 14mm socket. And now just make sure everything's properly tightened up, just so your brakes won't be wiggling everywhere. Then we're all set. Thank you for joining us again. We hope you've liked the video so far, or again, at least found it useful. So please drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and check us out at brake-x.com. And we'll see you again next time.